Welcome RM Touch CCNA Practical Labs. In this lesson, we will learn how to make configuration router on a stick Inter-Vlan. Router on a stick configuration, also known as a router on a stick or Inter-Vlan. Routing is a network topology where a single router interface is used to connect and route traffic between multiple VLANs, virtual local area network, on a switch network. In this configuration, the router is connected to a switch using a single trunk port, and the router's single interface is configured with sub-interfaces, each representing a VLAN on the switch. If we talk about its advantage, the main advantage of the router on a stick configuration is a cost-effective. It requires only a single router interface, which can be more cost-effective compared to a configuration that requires multiple router interface. If we talk about for the security, by having the routing functionality on the router, you can apply security policies, access control list, and other network security measures more effectively. If we return in our configuration to start in our lesson, we will take in these following steps. In our first step, we will give the IP addresses for the hosts. So in the first step, we will create VLANs and its interfaces. So the next step, we will make a sub interfaces on the router, and then we will test if in our topology is weak or not. So to start in our configuration, come this PC and select desktop 192.168.1.10. Okay, and here you will write 192.168.1.1, the default gateway on the router. Okay, come this another PC. One nine two dot one six eight dot two dot ten. 192.168.2.1. It is default gateway. Come this PC and select desktop 192.168.3.10. Come the last PC 192.168.4.10. So now we finish the given IP addresses for the hosts. So in the next step, we will create VLANs, and then we will assign every interface it is VLANs. So for example, FS02, I will give VLAN 10. FS03, I will give VLAN 20. FS04, I will give VLAN 30. And FS05, I will give VLAN 40. So come to switch and select CLI, enable config VLAN 10, name finance, VLAN 20, name guest, VLAN 30, name name ICT, and VLAN 40, name HR. Exit. So in the next step, we will assign every interface it is VLANs. So FS02, I will give VLAN 10. So interface fast Ethernet 02, switchboard mode access, switchboard access VLAN 10. Exit. The next VLAN, let me check the interface. FS03 interface fast Ethernet 03 switchboard mode access switchboard access VLAN 20 exit. Let me check VLAN 30 FS04 interface fast Ethernet 04 switchboard mode access switchboard access VLAN 30 exit FS05 and VLAN 40 interface fast Ethernet 05 switchboard mode access switchboard access VLAN 40 and do right. Now I finish for the assigning every interface and it is VLAN. So in the first I will test if they can reach or not. So come this PC and try camping in this VLAN 10. So it cannot ping. So ping 192.168.1.10. As you see in here, requested timed out. It cannot ping because they don't have the default gateway. We did not assign. So in the next step, we will make a trunk, the port between the router and the switch, and it is number is FA01. Okay, interface fast Ethernet 01 switchboard mode trunk and do right. So now we will make a sub interface for the router and we will assign every default gateway and it is in every VLAN. So come the router and select the CLI. No. Enable config interface gigabyte 0/0 at the first we will make up no shutdown and the next we will make the sub interfaces interface gigabyte 0/0.10. So encapsulation.iq 10 and IP address 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0. So it stands the default gateway on the VLAN 10. So exit the next VLAN interface gigabyte 0/0.20. It's a VLAN 20 encapsulation.iq 20 VLAN 20. It is IP address 192.168.2.1 255.255.255.0. Exit VLAN 30 VLAN 30. Yeah, okay. Interface gigabyte 0/0.30 encapsulation.iq 30 IP address 192.168.3.1 255.255.255.0. The last one is VLAN 40. Okay, interface gigabyte 0/0 VLAN 40 encapsulation.iq VLAN 40. It is IP address 192.168.4.1 255.255.255.0 and save your configuration. Do right. So in our last step is for the testing camping or not all the VLAN. So in our first step we will go this VLAN 40 and we will ping in VLAN 10 it can reach or not. So come VLAN 10 CMD ping 192.168.1.10. Okay, as you see in here, VLAN 40 can reach VLAN 10. So I will test the next VLAN 20 ping 192.168.2.10. And also VLAN 10, VLAN 40 can reach VLAN 20. Okay, and also I will check VLAN 10 can reach VLAN 30. Ping 192.168.3.10. And also VLAN 40 can reach or can ping VLAN 30. So it means in our network can talk to each other and can ping. So thank you very much, and please subscribe and share, and we will see you in the next class.